Now this 12.5-inch touchscreen is the same touchscreen we use on the Mark 8. Looking inside the unit, we can see exactly the same as what we saw on the touchscreen. This is our chiller unit, so the sample gas comes in, the condensate gets taken out through a drain solenoid, and the dry gas comes out through the top of the chiller. Once it's dry, it goes through the filter, and then goes through our pump and to put across the sensors. The sensors themselves are electrochemical sensors, apart from the CO2. This is a unique design using infrared technology, designed by Autoflame.